Hello friends, welcome to Nandy's Craft Corner. For our first video, we are going to start by learning the basics of paper cutting and some storage ideas as well. Let's start by cutting our basic cardstock to create a base of our card. In the US, the standard greeting card size is an A2 size, or 4.25 by 5.5. This is the size we will be using mostly on this channel, with a few fun exceptions. If you are not located in the US, leave a comment where you are from and I will try to get those measurements for you. Now, basic cardstock, especially from Stampin' Up, comes in packs of 24 sheets measured at 8.5 by 11. This makes our life easier as we can just cut the paper in half and already have the beginning of 2 card bases. The paper I'm using is Real Red by Stampin' Up. This we will use in a later holiday project, so save your card bases for later. I'll link all the products in the description if you're interested to purchase. Here we can either cut the paper in half top to bottom or side to side. Now just crease in half using your finger, your nail, or what's called a bone folder, and you have a complete card base. You can also use the scoring board on your Stampin' trimmer. Congrats! You've just finished step 1 of card making. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for helping me grow my channel.